Looking for a chef knives? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best chef knives available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect chef knives for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list. We have the Wasp Classic Icon Stainless Steel Kitchen Knife Set. This sophisticated and useful knife set is the best overall because of its sharpness and diversity of knives included. With an appealing walnut-colored block, this 7-piece knife set includes all the basics necessary for a typical kitchen. Wasp is a well-respected name in cutlery. In our testing, we found that the knives felt very balanced and sturdy. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Starting at number 6 on our list. We have the Chicago Cutlery 18-piece knife set. If you want the very best value when purchasing your new knife set, look no further than the Chicago Cutlery 18-piece knife set. Chicago Cutlery's knife sets are popular for a reason. This set includes all the basics at a very affordable price and includes a block that will match many home decors. Starting at number 5 on our list. We have the J.A. Henckels International Statement 14-piece self-sharpening knife block set. Henckels has been catering to the home chef's needs since 1895 and is synonymous with quality. This knife set is finished to the highest standards and showcases superb craftsmanship. Each knife is forged from premium stainless steel and satin finished to further highlight the bevels of the blade. They're also full tang and triple riveted for added control while cutting. The 7-piece set includes a 3-inch paring knife, a 5-inch serrated knife, a 6-inch utility knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, an 8-inch chef's knife, and some handy kitchen shears. The Razor Sharp family lives in a self-sharpening block that's crafted from stained ash wood. The block also has labeled slots so nothing gets lost. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list. We have the Copper Knife Set. Copper cookware is all the rage at the moment, and these knives will complement it perfectly. Designed by Styled Settings, the 7-piece set features copper accents on each individual knife, as well as the block itself. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, every knife features a full tang blade that's triple riveted to the packawood handle for unbeatable balance and leverage. The bolsters have also been ergonomically engineered to stop your fingers from sliding and help you cut away safely. What's more, each knife's scalpel-like edge will stay nice and sharp thanks to the block's built-in sharpening technology. At number 3 on our list. We have the Sabatier Self-Sharpening Edgekeeper Pro 12-piece forged triple rivet knife block set. Perfect for the meat-loving Ron Swansons in the mix, Sabatier's set includes a dozen extra sharp steak knives that will slice through a T-bone like butter. You'll also get a couple of chef knives, a slicer knife, a fine-edge utility knife and a paring knife for good measure. Each blade is expertly crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for maximum sharpness and edge retention. What's more, every time you return a knife to its slot, the built-in sharpener will automatically hone the blade to ensure it's razor sharp when you go to use it again. All knives are, of course, triple riveted to give you more control and better maneuverability. At number 2 on our list, we have the Calphalon 321 12-piece silver. If you're after variety, opt for Calphalon's 12-piece set. It's by far the most versatile on our list and includes an 8-inch chef's knife, a 6-inch serrated utility knife, a 5-inch santoku, a 4.5-inch paring knife, half a dozen steak knives and some heavy-duty kitchen shears. Basically, everything a budding home chef needs. Each full tang blade is forged from high-carbon stainless steel that is resistant to both stains and corrosion. They're also triple riveted to give you better balance when chopping. The handles, meanwhile, are contoured to encourage a nice secure grip. The block features a built-in ceramic sharpener along with labeled slots to ensure your knives are always within reach and razor sharp. And finally at number 1 on our list, we have the Home Hero stainless steel knife set. Enhance the beauty of your professional kitchen with the stunning knife set that's as efficient as it is attractive. It includes everything you need to create standout dishes. With 17 handy pieces, the Home Hero stainless steel knife set is the complete professional set. The cutlery organizer keeps your knives, scissors, peeler, and sharpener in place, so you always have the right tool in front of you. Made from durable stainless steel, this knife set offers the sharpness you need without any peeling or rusting. The ergonomic PP handles avoids hand fatigue during those long hours in the kitchen. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.